Isupk.
Listen, these white people, y'all better understand something, man. The white man is the devil that the Bible speaks of. You understand that? This man is a beast. So while you sitting there worried about going to the polls to vote for Biden, because you know that Donald Trump is a devil. You know that, don't you? Everybody understand that Donald Trump is not for black people. Everybody understand that he's not for Hispanics. I'm going to drop a bomb on you. Neither is Joe Biden. The fact that you talking about you're going to vote for the lesser of two evils, that means you are insane. We got to sit back and look that the leaders that you didn't believing in and crying crocodile tears in, them leaders don't give a damn about you, man. Starting with, listen, I'm going to hurt some people's feelings. Starting with the man who's been beloved for 60 years, MLK, Martin Luther King. That nigga sat behind the back doors with white people, made a deal to go out there and tell you about I have a dream speech. He was not a man of God. Men of God would never tell black people to join their oppressor. That's right. What in the hell are we doing trying to join the people that hated you for 400 years? You trying to join the people that put your ancestors in the bottom of, not on the top of the ship. We ain't come over here on the Santa Maria. You understand? We ain't come over here on no Mayflower. Our forefathers came on the bottom of the slave ship, butt naked, defecating on each other. And listen, if they died or if they were sick, they got threw over the water and ate by sharks. So why in the hell would you be trying to join the people that fed your ancestors to sharks? And then our people who made it here, what happened? Our women was raped, our sons was raped, they took your nationality from you. Right here today, black people in 2020 have no idea that they the real Jews that the Bible speaks of. You have no idea that this Bible is not for the white man. It condemns the white man. You have no idea that Jesus Christ is a nigger. You have no idea that the Apostle Paul is a nigger. Isaiah, nigger. Jeremiah, nigger. All these prophets in here was niggas from the ghetto who gave a damn only about their people, man. I don't give a damn about no white man. White people are not allowed in my school, and when given the opportunity, I'm going to feed their babies to lions. And excuse my language. Read what you got.
It's the book. This is the book of Zephaniah, chapter 2, verse 1. Gather yourselves together.
Do what?
Gather yourselves together.
This is a future prophecy here. The Lord said, gather yourselves together. Why is God telling blacks and Hispanics and Native American Indians to gather together? It's a reason behind that. Read.
Ye gather together. O nation not desired.
Oh, what?
O nation not desired.
No matter where you go on the earth, you can go over to Europe right now. Guess what? They're going to call you a nigger over there or a Kalfa. You go over to Africa, you think you African. The white man that told you a lie and told you that the Negroes here in America you are from an African descent. That is another lie. You are the Israelites that escaped out of Israel, running from the Roman Empire. You went and lived among Africans, right? But the Africans got together with the white man and sold your black behind and got on them slave ships. African people are not you. Wakanda don't represent you. That character and that damn Killermonger, that's who you were. That's who you were. You sitting there watching the movie and don't even know what character in the movie represents you. The Africans will never come over here and try to save you because they not your people. You understand? We are not the people that we are in America. That is not who you supposed to be. You ain't supposed to be no whore. You ain't supposed to be dressing like a whore. You ain't supposed to be smoking cigarettes. You ain't supposed to be having abortions. You ain't supposed to be putting up Christmas trees. You ain't supposed to be gay. You ain't supposed to be voting. You're supposed to be keeping these laws, statutes, and commandments, man. You are the people of the Lord. And the reason why you in the ghetto is because we disobeyed the God of the niggas, man. That's why you in the ghetto suffering. And now it's time to turn back. You see these men that stand with me, we didn't turn back. We all from the ghetto. We all grew up eating mayonnaise sandwiches, syrup sandwiches, Section 8, welfare, projects, gunshot. We done went through all that, but now you serve the God of the niggas. And when you serve the God of the niggas, you are destined and ordained to keep every last law in this Bible. Read.
Before the decree brings forth.
Because before what?
The decree brings forth.
God got a decree is an order. The Lord trying to show you with these earthquakes, California, the West Coast is on fire right now. The Lord is bringing these plagues. COVID-19, where do you think COVID-19 come from? Mother Nature? No, it ain't come from the white man, because the white man dying too. The COVID-19 come from the God. You understand? That's how God works. When the earth ain't the way the Lord wants, the earth send plagues. You want to be a homosexual? Guess what you're going to catch? AIDS. You want to smoke cigarettes? You want to eat pork? Keep sitting at that table on Thanksgiving talking about you eating chitlins and pork and all that, and your simple behind be sitting up in the hospital with high diabetes and high blood pressure. You can't put whatever food you want in your body. Are you stupid? But listening to the Christian church, your preachers don't give a damn about you. As long as you bringing in that money, they're going to lie to you. They're going to tell you what will make you happy. That ain't how you get fixed. That ain't how we get off drugs. That ain't how we take our community back. You sitting in your community, how in the hell the community be 90% black, but the businesses is 50% Arab? Right. 80% Arab. Well, I'm leaving the other percentage for the Chinese and the East Indian. You in a black neighborhood, 100% black, the Arabs are on 50%, East Indians 70, Chinese 30. Now, go open up a soul food restaurant in Chinatown, see what happens. Yeah, burn your shit down overnight. Go open up a business with the Arabs and see what happens. You the only one that believe in that garbage that everybody believe read, and God didn't put everybody here to be equal. That's in the Bible. That's why he got a chosen people. Meaning what? If you a nigga, you above white people, man. You above the Arabs. You above the Africans. You above other nations. Even the damn animals in the jungle ain't equal. That's why they say the lion is the king of the goddamn jungle. Somebody got to be on top, somebody got to be on the bottom. Now my question to you is, ain't you tired of being on the goddamn bottom? Niggas sitting up under these people? Wake the hell up, man. Read.
Before the day passed.
Before what?
Before the day passed.
Read on.
As the shaft.
At the what?
As the shaft.
One day you see America here, one day it's here, and the next day it's gone. This place right here is going to get burnt to the ground. God is bringing judgment on America, man. Give me Baruch chapter 3, verse 10. We got to turn back, man. We got a school right on 79th. Free of charge. We don't charge you to come in there. You come sit down in our class, you're going to get off of drugs. You're going to get off your cigarettes. You're going to black man, you're going to fix your house. We're going to put black men back in the house, and once you get back in the house, black man, you know what you're going to do? You're going to put that woman in order. When it's time to tell her to dress the way she's supposed to be, she going to do it because you're going to give her the order. You understand? You're going to get good, well-cooked meals. You ain't gonna have to worry about nobody talking, running their mouth to you all night. She gonna do what she told, You understand? I wouldn't have got to, just like men got to get fixed, sisters got to get fixed as well. You got to have, in order to have a community or a nation, you got to have peace in the home. The black man gonna get peace in his home under Commander General Yohana and I Isupk, man. And guess what, black man? Not only is you gonna get one wife, if you want, you can go get two. According to the God of the niggas, a black man can have 3, 4, 5, 6, however many you want. You serve the white God, guess what? I got to go. You go get one woman, sign that piece of paper, and then a year later you in divorce court. Don't know why. I'm telling you, how many trials we got down here? I'm looking forward, what I tell you, boy, I'm looking forward to getting five out of each tribe. That's how we gonna do it on here. The land was made for you, black man, Hispanic man, Native Indian man. Read.
It's the book of Baruch, chapter 3, verse 10. Go ahead. How happeneth it, Israel?
How what?
How happeneth it, Israel?
Feel the Lord say, how did this happen? How did it happen that you in the condition that you in? It's gonna show you. Read.
That thou art in thine enemy's land.
Thou who?
Thy enemy's land.
Thou who?
Thy enemy's land.
You ain't. America is not the home of your friend. Right. Going all the way back to since you've been here, this is your enemy's land. Right. You understand? So why in the hell would the Bible tell you to join your enemy? When it speaks about forgiving your enemy, it ain't talking about the right man. Just like the brother talking about, if you a first CH, it's telling you to forgive that brother who may be a stone. Or forgive that brother who may be a GD. Or if you a Crip, forgive that brother who may be a blood. How in the hell we gonna build a nation if we don't learn to forgive one another for the things that we done done? It ain't talking about the right man. You got to understand the context of what the Bible is telling you. Read.
That thou art waxing old in a strange country.
And what?
Old in a strange country.
This is a strange country. America's a strange country. Your homeland is Jerusalem. You're a tropical people from the Middle East. You're supposed to be sitting up under the sun in the Middle East getting that good vitamin D all day, every day. Now, but you in here in America, where in about a couple of months, that winter gonna hit you. You're gonna be running from the house to the car. It's gonna be so damn cold. This way ain't where you meant to be at. This is not your land. This is not where you're gonna get peace. You getting pulled over by the damn cops, and you trying to tell the cops what's the law? My rights say verse 1056 says that you don't got no rights in America, nigga. When he wrote the Constitution, you was written as 3/5 of a man. You don't got no rights here. So the hell you sitting there talking to the police like you got rights. The only way you gonna get protection from the police, you come join the Isupk under Commander General Hunter. Come join this army, man. We don't have no trouble with the cops. You understand? The cops, like that one Tupac song, you know what they say? These are made men. Let them go. Let them go. Read.
That thou art defiled with the dead.
Thou what?
Thou art defiled with the dead.
The defiled with the dead mean you the walking dead, don't even know it, because of the lifestyle that you're living here in America.